أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Wan Nursalam with entry number 1913239. Today I would like to share with you 6 essential event planning skills that may transform you to a great event planner. As a professional event planner, there are several additional skills that should be possessed, and these skills are critical for successfully managing and executing events of all scales. And these are 6 essential or important event planning skills that may benefit you as a professional event planner. Firstly, adaptability. Secondly, good networking. Thirdly, attention to detail. Fourth, effective negotiation. Fifth, crisis management. And sixth will be tech savviness. Okay, let's move to the first skill, adaptability. Adaptability is the precious soft skill that helps you easily adjust to changing circumstances. By being adaptable, we are able to adapt quickly and respond effectively towards unexpected changes and challenges that we face during our event's timeline. We also may find creative solutions to ensure the success of our planned event. There are certain changing situations that we may face based on my experiences, such as event schedule or timeline changing, inavailability of speaker, and also cancellation of vendors before the festival starts. The next skill will be good networking. Building and maintaining a strong networking is essential for event planners. It allows them to establish good relationship with professionals, vendors, and also potential clients. By having a good networking, they can provide them access to valuable resources, collaboration opportunities, and broader scope of clients. As the event planner, we may find the best deal with specific company to fulfill our client's requests. And we can benefit too in providing backup resources choices. We also may ease our invitation process, especially to invite a very important person, VIP, from ministry, from corporate company, and so on. And also we can secure upcoming joint venture projects. The third skill will be attention to detail. I have decided to divide it to two parts. The first part will be listen carefully, and the second part will be record particularly. What I mean by the event planners to listen carefully, because they need to focus and concentrate to the details as requested by the clients, because the details are involved with numerous details, because some smallest oversight can have significant consequences to our event. So they need to reconfirm the details that they have listened to reduce any misunderstanding or miscommunication. And for the second part, they need to record particularly. They need to have some documentation, either physically by having notebook or visually by online apps such as Google Docs or spreadsheets for their future references. They need to keep update their notes and documents as what have been discussed during their latest meeting updates with clients and also vendors. And don't ever miss any smallest details in every aspect, from logistics, technicalities, decoration, and so on. And fourth will be effective negotiation. Effective negotiation allows event planners to have easier ways to negotiate with suppliers, vendors, and potential clients. They will be able to negotiate most reasonable prices, rates, and contracts that are within their expected budget. By having this effective negotiation, we also may secure the best services and long-term engagement with large and well-known companies. And let's move to crisis management. And as we know, events that we handle it can face any kind of unexpected emergencies or crises, such as technical failures, unexpected bad weather, security issues, excess of quantity of gas, and so on. So what do we as the event planner need to do? We need to be adept at handling such situations swiftly and effectively by remain calm under the pressure and find the best solution and also implement any contingency plans to solve the problems or the crisis. We also need to prioritize the safety and well-being of our staff and also our attendees or guests during the event. And the last and foremost is tech savviness. In today's digital age, event planners must be technologically adept. They need to adapt with event management software, online registration systems, visual event platforms, and other technological appliances. By equip or having these beneficial skills, they may enhance their efficiency and streamlines event processes. They also need to stay updated with emerging technologies and also trends in the kind of industry to leverage tech solutions. By implementing these six essential skills, event planners can elevate their expertise and deliver outstanding events that exceed expectations from their clients and also guests. These skills are really necessary for a successful career in event planning. That's all from me. Thank you for your interest in event management. Bye bye.